Hey everybody, Stephanie Viscounte here with Howard Hanna Real Estate Services. So today, in honor of Fun Fact Fridays, I guess I'm gonna make it up starting today. I just wanted to share some other skills that I have that I can offer to anybody who wants to list their home. So I am a portrait photographer. I have been in the photography business for a few years now. Over the last year, my business really grew. That business is called Olive & Company Studios. Please feel free to check it out online. And also, I've invested in so much equipment so that I can photograph your home. So I'm going to be your home photographer. And also, I just got a drone here, which this is so much fun. I've been playing around with this the last couple weeks. I got it right after Christmas, and it is just something I'm so excited to add value to any home that I list. So whenever you list with me, you get professional photography, you get drone footage, aerial footage, and video footage. And there are 12 other ways that I market your home. So please feel free to reach out to me if you're interested in learning more about that. I can send you my listing packet with a whole bunch of helpful information for anybody looking to list their home and see why I'm different. Or you can reach out to me by text or a phone call at 330-401-6910. Bye everybody, have a good weekend.